amazing.
Here, Tiddles.
Adorable. She's so affectionate. Achoo! Crumbs.
Total tomfoolery.
The cat is making me sneeze. I'm allergic to cats. Achoo! Oh! Help me get away from the cat.
What's all that din? Can I join in? Cod.
I have to get away from the cat. Achoo! Achoo! Away! Help me get away! Achoo!
No way.
Hey! Hello, E.
Hello, H. Exercising? Excellent. Exercise, everyone! Come on, N. Hen.
Hello, hen.
Egg.
Hello, egg.
N. It's only an egg.
Hey, hen! You forgot your egg. Help! Hey, egg! Come back here! Hurry, hurry! Oh! Oh! I just popped in. Pretty. Oh! Hop! Hop, 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 hop. Hooray! I'm just like hen. Hey! What's happening? Oh! Oh! Mama? Oh? Oh. Mama. Oh. 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 Mama. Mama. Oh. G. Dog. Oh. Goodness gracious! Oh! Goodness, where have you been? Please tell us. Oh, go on.
You don't say. Terrific tale.
Greetings. Can you guess what's going to grow next in my garden? I want to see.
Dig.
Dig.
Terrible.
I helped. I saved your garden.
Dog it up. Disaster.
Poor G. Such a pity. Gosh. Great ground for growing. I just dropped in. Bat.
Terrific. Time for a quick game of cricket.
Brilliant shot! Amazing! How's that?
Wait a minute. No time for cricket. I've got a hat to catch. Everything okay, T? Lost my top hat. Emergency! Emergency!
I just popped in.
Pet! Terrific! A terrier! Time to teach you some tricks. Tumble! Tremendous! Tee! Tickly tickly! Wait a minute. No time for tricks. I've got a hat to catch. The tea party. No invitation. No tea. No hat.
I just dropped in. I just popped in. Now, who's going to help get that pesky hat?
Zzz, don't panic. Zzz.
Zap.
Nice. Try again. Once upon a time, there was a little red hen who liked to say
No.
every now and then. If you asked him,
Help!
or
Have a go.
he always answered,
No.
his favourite words were
No.
and
Wait.
not me, not a chance, no, not today, nothing, never, no, not now. But everybody loved him anyhow. One day, N found a seed to sow and needed help to make it grow. Now, little seed, up you go. But the tiny little grain said, Along came D and O and G. Dog. I'm Little Red N, won't you help me? Not I, said the dog, and down he sat.
No way.
Said N, well, fancy that. Then,
Here I am.
said good old I,
I can do it. Let me try. Dig.
D dug a hole.
I planted the grain. G made it rain.
Along came C and A and T. Cat.
The wheat grew tall, now N couldn't see.
I'm Little Red N, I want to eat. Who can help me cut this wheat?
Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat.
Nobody, no one, fancy that. Along came you.
Oh, hi, that's me.
Cut.
We've cut the wheat, as you can see.
Then along came P and I and G. Pig. N looked down.
What a mess,
said he.
I'm Little Red N, let's make it neat. Who can help pick up this wheat?
Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the pig.
Well, fancy that. Rat.
Look at that.
It is a rat, a rat, a rat, a rat. The rat went rat-a-tat-tat, 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 and the cat sat on the mat.
I am the bat.
Look at that. It is a bat, a bat, a bat, a bat. The bat did that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. And the rat went rat-a-tat-tat, 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 and the cat sat on the mat. Cat, cat, get off the mat, do that and that, go rat-a-tat-tat. Cat, 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 cat. The cat sat on the mat.
I am H.
Hat. Look at that. It is a hat, a hat, a hat, a hat. Hat, 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 hat. Rat, 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 rat. Bat, 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 bat. The rats in the hats went rat-a-tat-tat. The bats in the hats did that and that and that. And the cat sat on the mat.
I am the
Vat. Look at that. It is a vat, a vat, a vat, a vat.
O.
Toad.
Magnificent! Mine.
My teacup. My teapot. Don't you dare.
Oh, 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 oh!
Mine!
Goodness, what's that noise? That's a funny frog. A lovely toad, not a frog. Cracking croak. Good grief!
Toad has a terrible tongue.
Stop eating everything, Toad!
Time for you-know-what.
Come on, T. O. Coat.
Marvellous! Look at me! More magic! Quick!
Let me try. O. Coal. Careful, Em. Don't eat coal.
My, oh my!
Go! O. Goal.
Tally-ho!
O. Goat.
Meh. Meh.
Good grief.
Meh. Meh. Meh.
With a ow. Howl.
Oh!
Moo-moo. Grr. Moo-moo. Grr. And a ow. Growl.
Grr, grr.
Brown cow with an owl, a howl, and a growl will now sing.
Ow! Ow!
Moo 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 moo. Brown cow needs to look good. Moo. How? How, brown cow? Moo 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 la la. Moo 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 la la. In a ow gown. Moo la la. Brown cow. How
cow.
Moo moo. Bling.
Moo moo bling. Inner. Ow. Crown.
Moo. Moo moo.
Oh no, brown cow.
Moo moo. Bang bang bang. Zzz, moo. Zzz, moo moo. Zzz, moo moo moo.
Beep beep. Moo moo bang bang bang. Zzz, moo zzz, moo moo zzz, moo 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 beep beep. On the town.
Moo!
Moo
Moo moo!
Brown cow with an owl, a howl, and a growl, in a gown, a crown, and on the town will now sing. Ow! Do-it-do! Ow! Do-it-do!
Terrific timing, eh? Totally on time for our tip-top picnic. Now, where has N got to? You're 10 seconds late, N. Never mind. Do we have everything? I've brought the tea.
And I've brought the apples.
What have you brought in?
Nothing.
N, you can't just snap your fingers and expect a picnic to appear.
No, but we could hold hands.
Ant.
Not me.
That tickles.
N. No, it wasn't me. My apples. N, what have you? Nothing.
So, what's going on here then?
A truly terrible picnic.
We'll soon sort that out.
Ants. Tickly. Tickly.
Stop! Stop! N!
No, not me.
My teacups. My teapot.
N. No! I just popped in. A picnic? Perfect.
Pants. N. What use are pants?
Frog.
Ribbit.
This is a frog. The frog can hop.
The frog will hop across the bog to get the cog.
Oh, hop. Hop, 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 hop.
Ribbit.
Stop. Frog. Plop.
Ribbit.
The frog fell into the bog.
Ribbit. 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 Ribbit.
Dog. Woof.
This is the dog. The dog can dig. The frog can hop. Frog hop on top.
Ribbit.
The frog and the dog will dig under the bog to get the cog. Dig.
Dig. Dig, 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 dig. Shop. Bog. Hop.
Ribbit.
Frog.
Ribbit.
Dog.
The frog and the dog dug into the bog.
Hog.
Oink.
This is the hog. A hog is a pig. The pig can jig, the dog can dig. The frog can hop. Frog, dog, hop on top.
Ribbit.
The frog and the dog and the hog will jig across the bog to get the cog.
Jig. Jig, 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 jig. Let's stop. Hog, dog,
The frog and the dog and the hog hit the net and fell into the bog.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.